The Panagbenga Festival. Panagbenga Festival, also known as the Flower Festival, is an annual event held in Baguio City, Philippines. Baguio City, located in the northern part of the country, is known as the summer capital of the Philippines due to its cool climate and scenic landscapes. The festival takes place during the month of February, which is considered the peak of the blooming season in the city. The word, Panagbenga, is a Kankanai term that means, a season of blooming. The festival was established in 1995 to celebrate the city's resilience and to showcase the abundance of flowers grown in the region. It has since become one of the most popular and widely attended festivals in the Philippines, attracting both locals and tourists from around the world. The main highlight of the Panagbenga Festival is the Grand Float Parade, where enormous floats adorned with vibrant and meticulously arranged flowers parade through the streets of Baguio City. These floats are often designed with intricate details and feature various themes, showcasing the creativity and artistry of the participants. The flowers used in the floats include a wide variety of blossoms, such as roses, orchids, chrysanthemums, and sunflowers, among others. Accompanying the float parade is the street dancing competition, which features different groups of dancers from schools, barangays, local communities, and organizations. Participants wear colorful costumes inspired by flowers and perform choreographed routines that incorporate traditional and contemporary dance styles. The street dancing competition is a lively and energetic spectacle that captivates the audience with its vibrant music, synchronized movements, and impressive choreography. In addition to the float parade and street dancing competition, the festival also includes other events and activities. These may include flower exhibits, landscape displays, garden tours, art and photography competitions, concerts, trade fairs, and fireworks displays. Visitors can also enjoy local cuisine, shop for souvenirs, and explore the attractions and natural beauty of Baguio City. The Panagbenga Festival serves as a tribute to the resilience and vibrancy of the people of Baguio City and their commitment to preserving the beauty of nature. It has become a symbol of unity, joy, and cultural pride for the locals, as well as a major tourist attraction that promotes the city's tourism industry. The festival not only showcases the floral abundance of Baguio, but also highlights the artistic talent, creativity, and cultural heritage of the region. Thank you for watching.